Many fleet owners at their own patience when their working process starts slowing them down. They ask, how can we improve it? But the better question is, it is still the right system for the business we are becoming. But simple questions can save years of frustration and thousands in hidden cost. Every transport company reaches a point where its current working process no longer keeps pace with business growth. At first, the signs seem small. Vehicles spend longer waiting to be cleaned. Staff work harder to keep schedule on track. Daily operation become less predictable, and manager begin making adjustments just to maintain the same level of performance. Many companies respond by trying to improve what they already have. They add more workers, purchase additional cleaning equipment, or reorganize workflows. These changes may provide temporary relief, but they rarely solve the root problem. If the process itself is no longer designed for the scale of the business, before investing more time or money, it is worth asking a few simple questions. Can your current working process handle future fleet expansion? Is cleaning quality consistent regardless of who is on duty? Can vehicles be prepared quickly during peak operating hours? More importantly, does the current system help your team work more efficiently? Or does it require constant supervision and adjustment? The answer often reveals whether an upgrade is enough or whether a company's transformation will deliver greater long-term value. Successful transport business don't wait until daily operations become difficult. They prepare their infrastructure before road crash pressure. That's why automation is not simply about replacing manual work. It's about building a process that remains reliable as your business evolves. At Go&Go, we don't believe every company needs the biggest machine. We believe every company needs the right solution for its fleet size, operating schedule, and field goal. The right investment is not measured by today's workload alone. It is measured by how confidently your business can grow over the next 5 to 10 years. When your working process supports that growth instead of limiting it, every part of the operation becomes stronger. If you are wondering whether to upgrade your current work process or invest in a new alternative solution, let's have a conversation. The Go&Go team can help you evaluate your operation and recommend the most practical path for your fleet, not the most expensive one.